Hey guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. So today I'm going to teach you how to blur faces with YouTube Studio. So you actually don't even need to download anything, but before we get started, I'm going to show you my front page. So this is my YouTube trailer, and then my most recent uploads. This one was uploaded 24 minutes ago and it has 10 views. These are my Lord of the Ring, Battle for Middle-earth playlist. There should be more, it just only shows these for me, and then Minecraft TNT tag episodes, and then my voice mod episodes. I'll have to do more of those, but now let's get on into it. So, all we have to do is press your little icon up here, and then press YouTube Studio. And then it'll take you to YouTube Studio, and then you click on videos because it'll just take you to your dashboard. So these are all your videos. 17 views. This one was just one I made recently just for the purpose of this video. So I'm just gonna click on that, and then we're gonna click on editor. And oh, by the way, this is the one after classic, so it's not before, not after. So you can trim, you can video, you can audio, or like adjust your audio. You can end screened. But so what you want to do is press add blur. And then there's the custom blurring or blur faces. Let me pause that. So you could do custom blur, but for this we're gonna just press blur faces. It'll take a minute to process your video. The shorter, the faster it'll process. It'll jump to a little, or what do we call it? It'll be there pretty fast. Just let me skip to the end of the uploading. Alright, so it's uploaded or recognize the video. So it's even nice, you don't have to like drag over anything. All you have to do is select all, deselect all if there's multiple people. But it shows the timeline of where the face is, and all you have to do is click it, and then it'll do this, and watch. Now it's blurring. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Don't have to buy anything, don't have to get a program or download anything. All you have to do is do that. Whoa. Oh, because you can't really see my face, so it's just doing that. So, and then after that, it's having a little trouble. It'll probably catch up when after I save it, hopefully. Here, let me see. Yeah, so it should work. Not 100% sure, but it should work. That's a little weird. And then we just can press save as new video, or revert to original, or chooses areas to blur and track in your video. So I'm just gonna press save. It'll just say that it won't really or it'll be different. So now you have a blurred video. It'll take a couple minutes to load in, and then this will still be up. You can just close that down. And then I think you have to watch it. Yeah. You should have to watch it, and then yeah, it should take a couple minutes to recognize it, so I'll skip to when it recognizes that I blurred it. Okay guys, so I think it's done process now. It takes about 10-20 minutes to process, but now as you can see there's the blur Let's just watch it all the way through to see how well the blur does.
Works.
So far, it's good.
Up and down. I'll give it about, say, 20 more seconds. 1,
So far, good.
2,
Now it's not.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I was just doing that, but then again, who's gonna
12,
move that much?
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Okay, so it looks pretty good, and yeah, it's pretty good.